Today we're going to be talking about all things vagina. Yes, not comfortable talking about it? Well, today we are here to tell you exactly why you need to put your feminine hygiene on the forefront. मैं हूँ आपकी host Niyati and we are joined by gynaecologist Dr Rishmi Pai. Welcome doctor, we're so happy to have you here. वीडियो की शुरुआत करने से पहले हमेशा की तरह हमारे चैनल बी ब्यूटीफुल को सब्सक्राइब करें एंड ऑल्सो टैप ऑन द बेल आइकन सो दैट यू कैन स्टे अपडेटेड एवरी टाइम वी पोस्ट अ न्यू वीडियो. वेलकम डॉक्टर टू बी ब्यूटीफुल. बिफोर वी बिगिन आई वुड लाइक यू टू इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ टू आवर ऑडियंस.
Of course, my pleasure. I'm Dr. Rishmi Pai. I'm a consulting gynecologist practicing in most of the major hospitals of Mumbai for almost 30 years now. I do pregnancy, deliveries, gynecology and a lot of IVF infertility work as well.
Alright, that is fantastic. So let's begin. I want to begin this conversation by highlighting a study that states that 7 out of 10 women at least once in their lifetime are likely to suffer from an intimate related problem. Why do you think that even happens?
No, it's an extremely common problem, and like you said, once in a lifetime some women will get affected, and it ranges across the age groups. It could be young girls, college going, it could be pregnant ladies, it could be menopausal ladies. So it's, it's not a particular group of people who are affected. And I think basically it's because there's complete lack of education, information. People are so embarrassed to talk about it. It's not something which you discuss with everybody, that I have vaginal discharge or itching or I have a bad smell. So people are very sort of sensitive or embarrassed about this, and they seek information from all the wrong sources. And I have so many patients, they have this itching, burning, discomfort, and they keep washing it and they keep using soap to try to sort of clean it out. And that's absolutely the wrong thing, because by using so much of soap or so much of cleaning, in fact, they change the pH of the vagina completely. And it's very important that the pH of the vagina is maintained. The vagina has a pH of about 3.5 to 4.5. It's acidic in nature. I think most people understand acidic and alkaline. So the vagina is very acidic in nature and has to be maintained there. If that changes for anything, for example, during the periods or during hormonal changes, so all of that changes the pH completely, and that in fact causes her to get more prone to infections. And they seek treatment very late, so home remedies, hide it, try to do this, and that's why I think it becomes more than just a minor infection. It becomes quite a significant problem, and then they go to the gynecologist who then examines them and finds the problem and suggests treatment.
So that was really insightful. I want to ask you another question कि हमें अक्सर कहा जाता है, पढ़ने में आता है कि vagina is a self-cleaning organ. Right. In that case, why does one need to pay special attention towards maintaining the intimate area hygiene?
No, it's true. Vagina is a self-cleaning organ because vagina में secretions होती हैं, cervix से mucus निकलता है. So it is sort of cleaning itself out. But क्या होता है, बहुत सी times in a woman's life ये जो balance है change हो जाता है. For example, during menstruation, many people have continuous bleeding. They're using pads all the time, tampons use कर रहे हैं. They're using a lot of cleaning agents, soaps, gels, वगैरह. Sometimes they're using spermicide jellies as a contraceptive method. Then menopause आ जाता है, hormones कम हो जाते हैं. Some people are diabetic, so sugar levels are so high, so fungal infections हो जाती हैं. Antibiotics खाते हैं. Antibiotics disrupt the entire body. जो natural bacteria होते हैं vagina के, वो भी they are killed by the antibiotics. Sexually transmitted infections हो जाती हैं. So all of these things change the natural environment of the vagina. So that self-protection then goes away.
With that, we've come to an end of the We Wash Presents Feminine Hygiene discussion. Thank you so much, Doctor, for taking the time out and talking to us about this important topic and why everyone needs to prioritize it in their life. जाने से पहले अगर आपको feminine hygiene related कोई भी सवाल हो तो then write to us in the comment section below. Of course, जाने से पहले like and share this video and subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel. And while you're at it, ring the bell icon so that you can stay updated every time we post a new video.